In this lecture video, we will see the comparison of the IoT offloading approaches. As we have seen in the previous videos, there are three types of IoT offloading approaches. First is the naive approach, second is the bargaining approach, and third is the learning approach. So here, the parameters which we have used to compare these three approaches are the intelligence level, decision speed, network efficiency, and the best use case. So first is the naive or the rule-based approach. Here the intelligence level will be low, decision speed will be fast, and the network efficiency will also be low, and the best use case is the small IoT networks. Coming to the bargaining or the QoS negotiation approach, here the intelligence level, it is medium, that is it is higher than that of the naive rule based approach. Then it is moderate in taking the decisions, and the network efficiency is high. The best use case is the smart cities. Third approach is the learning, which is the machine learning based approach. Here the intelligence level is very high compared to both the approaches, and the decision speed, it is initially it will be slow. Then network efficiency is very high. The best use case is healthcare or the autonomous systems. So the naive approach, it uses the fixed rules. The decisions are very fast and it works best for small IoT systems. And here it will send the data to the nearest server. Then bargaining based approach, here the devices and the servers, these will negotiate the resources and balances the bandwidth, delay and load, and it is suitable for large systems like smart cities. Next is the learning based approach, which uses the machine learning and it learns from the past data and network conditions, and it provides very efficient network usage, and it is ideal for critical applications. So here you can see it is a graph where these three approaches are compared. So here you can see the naive approach, it is having less complexity and less computation compared to the bargaining and the learning, where the learning approach, it has more complexity and more computation, but the intelligence and the efficiency of this learning based approach is more than that of both, whereas the naive approach, it is having less intelligence and less efficiency. So the key idea here is, as we move from the naive to the bargaining to the learning, that is naive to the bargaining to the learning, the intelligence and efficiency increases, but the complexity and computation also increases. So this is about the comparison of the IoT offloading approaches. Thank you.